Hello, it's Michael Tillinger with a reminder that I'll be in England this coming weekend, the 29th of June, and again the following weekend on the 5th of July with our first of one-day workshops for one small town. So this is for everybody in England that's close to Buxton and in Dorking to come and join us for a full-day workshop where we're going to go through launching one small town, all the ins and outs, going through all the Q&A. Anything that you might want to know about launching one small town in your town and in your community. I've done a little detour of the Bosnian pyramids and the incredible Ravne tunnels, the healing tunnels here in Visoko, Bosnia. That's where I'm talking to you from as I get ready to jump on a plane and fly out to England. So just to give you a quick 360 degree, I'm up one of the alleys, the avenues filled with historical information, sacred geometry, and an absolutely incredible venue that every country should have a park like this because it is educational, it's inspirational, and it definitely elevates the resonance and the unity consciousness frequencies when you walk through here. So it's been an absolutely incredible experience being here with Dr. Sam Osmanagic as I get ready to come to England and get stuck into the One Small Town workshops. So if you can make it to Buxton or to Dorking, please do so. Go to our website, onesmalltown.org, and go to the news page and just sign up, order your tickets there, book your tickets, because I believe that we're approaching sold out status from our ambassadors in England. So I really look forward to being there and seeing everybody in England. My first visit in many, many years. And I'll see you there in a very short space of time. Until then, it's Michael Tellinger. Bye for now.